Welcome back. Today I'll be the judge and I'm looking forward to this performance.
Today's performance is from Grassfield High School Winterguard 2019 show titled Red Rain. Let me go ahead and show y'all what I am looking at. And of course, as always, thank you so much for watching and subscribing. Red Rain. That sounds like it's a little painful. Let's see.
Red Rain. The Atlantic Indoor Association is proud to present Grassfield High School Winterguard.
Okay, Red Rain. I love these umbrellas, super cute. Okay. Look, here I am. This is cute, I like that. This is super clean too. Oh, these pass-throughs. Yeah. We love using props. I love using props. Woo. Oh, y'all. These are... Golly. Nailed it, y'all. Now, is this like a... I'm trying to figure out where this song comes from. It's giving... Not giving, but... a musical? Like there's already a musical called Red Rain? Possibly, that's what it sounds like. I'm speculating. Whew. How many broken rifles have y'all had that doing leaning on them like that? I never tried doing that. Good job. I feel like there's like good musicality here. Just like hearing those background musical elements. That's very well represented. Whether it's in the flag line, the rifle line, the saber line. So are we saying we only have 3 or 4 of the members here in this group that are weapon level? That's very possible, of course. You know, you gotta do what you gotta do. This looks really good. To ensure the cleanest product at the end of the day. Ooh, nice. I'm not even listening to the lyrics for real, I'm sorry. I get so mesmerized. Because this doesn't sound sad. It sounds hopeful. Ooh, nice. Hit to the splits. Oh, okay, no, y'all can all do your rifles. And then while we're curious about then why were there only 3 or 4 doing weapons earlier? Y'all shoot, y'all got it. like kind of like dancing in the rain type of thing. You know, you can embrace it. Ooh, I love that little surprise. Very well done. Nice job, nice job. Think of anything else I want to say about that other than they look really great for high school. Yep, absolutely. 2019 Red Rain. Just the I love the hair flips. Tell me if this is like based off of something like a play, a musical, a movie. I love the use of the umbrellas, and they're well placed, like not overwhelming, but obviously they did choreo with them, and it flowed and moved in and out together really well, and I just really like that element. Do I have to have a complaint? I mean, if I had one, it would just be, as far as the beginning goes, only having maybe 3 or 4 on the weapons, and then everybody came in, which, you know, that's just a question. I ain't mad at it, of course. They're all holding it down really, really well. And so we just watched the Grassfield before this one. I can't remember what year it was. I'm pretty sure it was more recent than this. So good to see that they are, you know, still, not still, but the quality has remained, even from 2019, and that was before COVID, right? Okay, it's very good. Red Rain, Red Rain. Members of this show, let me know if you got a storyline or whatever, like what this is about, and if you liked it. Like, oh my god, I love this show so much. Let me know if that's, if that's a yes, or like, let me know, okay? I'll leave that right there. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.